Pfizer combining its off-patent medicines business with Mylan. This just crossing the wire, getting some additional details. This company is expected to have revenues in 2020 of $19 to $20 billion, earnings in that year of $7.5 to $8 billion. So this is going to be a pretty big company. It's going to receive a new name. It's going to be domiciled in the United States. Pfizer is structuring this as what's known as a reverse Morris trust, where essentially it divests or spins out its unit that it calls Upjohn, and it's going to combine that with Mylan. We are getting some more details on the management structure. We already knew that Mylan's current chairman, Robert Coury, was going to be the executive chairman of the new company, and that Pfizer's head of Upjohn, Michael Gettler, was going to be the CEO of the new company. We knew that Heather Bresch, the current CEO of Mylan, was going to depart. They're phrasing this in the press release as her retiring from Mylan. We have gotten some additional details that Rajiv Malik, the current president of Mylan, is going to be the president of the new combined company, whereas Mylan's CFO, Ken Parks, is planning to depart. In terms of the board makeup, there's going to be 13 directors, including that executive chairman and CEO. 8 of the new board members are going to be selected by Mylan, 3 by Pfizer. In terms of ownership, Pfizer shareholders are going to own 57% of the new company. Mylan shareholders, 43%, guys. So it's really interesting to see how this is shaping up. Mylan shares up 26%. Pfizer's have ticked down. They were up a little bit this morning. The feedback I'd been hearing over the weekend, as of course the Wall Street Journal first reported this on Saturday and we confirmed yesterday, is that Pfizer shareholders were kind of mixed on this deal. They are streamlining their business to focus more on higher-priced, innovative medicines, and this gets rid of maybe 20% of the company. Upjohn had about $3 billion in first quarter revenue, guys. So interesting to see. We're going to get a brand new drug company here in the United States.
Yeah, there's also some language in the release about how they expect this new company to be kind of a cash cow business, right? They're going to initiate a dividend at 25% of cash flow. They're going to, try to put some leverage on the company. So it seems like it's mature cash flow kind of harvesting business and will initiate probably a generous dividend.
Yeah, and one of the reasons that I was hearing people might have been kind of mixed on the deal, Jared Holtz at Jefferies pointed out that this could be dilutive to Pfizer over the near term because of that cash generation, the profitability of the Upjohn business. These are some of the world's best-known brands, Viagra, Lipitor, Lyrica, and while they are off patent, they were big moneymakers for Pfizer. So not as big as they used to be, but still important. So It'll be interesting to see how this shakes out.